PTSD, also known as Post Traumatic Stress Disorder. Post Traumatic Stress Disorder (PTSD) is a psychiatric disorder that may occur in people who have experienced or witnessed a traumatic event such as a natural disaster, a serious accident, a terrorist act, war, combat, or rape, or who have been threatened with death, sexual violence, or serious injury. Symptoms are recurrent and repulsive recollection of the stressful event, flashbacks, stressful dreams, avoidance of the event, anxiety, increased arousal, partial amnesia, feeling of numbness, anhedonia, which is inability to experience pleasure, lack of sleep, fear, destructive behavior. Treatments include alternative therapies such as meditation, yoga, breathing exercise, and Sudarshan Kriya, cognitive behavioral therapy, and drug treatment. %20 of the people face PTSD in their life worldwide. An estimation says 1 out of 11 people face PTSD. In 2020, 8 million people were diagnosed with PTSD. Compared to men, women are more likely to face PTSD.